Here is the ramen, guys. Wow, so delicious.
Spicy po ito,
I'm
madam.
gonna grab
If ever you
some.
Naglagay ko dito, Gab.
Ma'am, tsaka chopsticks po, please. Chopsticks. May nagdaruan kasi.
Ilan po?
Dalawa lang.
Bibigyan mo.
Also, I wanna grab some. But I'm gonna grab some ramen here.
Doon sa saka yung
I'm not
steak.
even using cups. Oh my god.
Gab. Sama.
Here po.
Ayun, yun.
Ito po yung chopstick.
Sige pa.
Thank you po.
Yan na natin itong...
Here's your
I'm gonna grab some.
pagsasabawa.
Guys, I'll cut the video. Okay, let's grab some ramen. I love this. Ramen!
Pwede ba ito hangin? Hangin.
Ay, nahulog, babe.
Ito na lang, ano?
It's okay. Ito na lang. Ito sa'yo. Ito. Dirty na yon, dirty. Oh, ito na.
Adorable.
Ayun na.
This
Chicken gyoza
is
po.
so yummy.
Sila sa middle lang.
Oh, wow.
Thank you po.
That sounds like nice. I love it. That's why I love it. I love it. The ramen is in the beef. I think this beef. Daddy, is this beef?
Yes.
Mommy.
Oh, no.
Let's try this with the ramen.
Bigyan mo din ng gyoza, Jo. Try mo yung gyoza.
Okay, I'm gonna cut the video.
Perfect bite.
Ramen. Okay. There's about to end. Bye. Yummy.